Hi everyone, welcome to another Did You Know Thursday with me, Debbie. Today I'm going to show you another way of hiding some columns in an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheet. Here we go. Okay, so in this example, we are going to hide the columns that show the information for the electricians. So these pink ones here. Now we could easily highlight, right click, and then click hide. And whilst that's a perfectly fine way of doing it, it's a real pain when it comes to unhiding, especially if you haven't really noticed whereabouts things are hidden. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the columns that we want to group together. So like that. We're going to go to the data tab up at the top, and then we're going to go along to group and click group again. Now you'll notice this snazzy little line has come up at the top. That means you can easily hide it or unhide. And as if by magic, here we are at Google Sheets. You can do exactly the same thing here with a slightly different technique. All we need to do is highlight the columns that we want to group, but this time we're going to right click, then click a few more column actions and group columns G to I, or whatever columns that you are grouping. And here we go. Here's the little slider again. So that's all we've got time for this week. Nice, simple way to hide columns, just keeps it all nice and neat, which will make it a lot easier for you to find stuff. That's it from us. If you have any questions or you need any help with any of your systems, then get in contact with us at admin@stebbington.com. In the meantime, see you next week.